Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix missed call badge not showing on your Android. So let's take an example. If you can't see your missed calls on your Android, then I'll show you how to fix it. Quick one guys, come to your settings right away. Once you come to your settings, you then wait for your app to finish loading. Come and tap on app management. So when you tap on app management, tap on app list. In most cases, when you're loading up the apps, it will take a bit of time, so you have to be patient until it's done loading. So wait for it to finish uploading and then we move on to the next step. Alright, so it's done loading. Once it's done loading, come to the search bar over here, then search for your phone. Okay, search for the phone, then tap on it. Remember, the phone is a system application, so you have to check out its permissions. So tap on permissions. Now on the permissions, make sure that you've turned on all the permissions, and in most cases make sure that the notification permission is turned on, this one over here. So once it's turned off in most cases, then it won't accept to show you the missed calls. So for my case, mine is turned on and that's why it's working well. So basically that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet